everybody, this is Nora, and today on this video I am going to attempt to recreate these nails by DeniseJohn65 that she did on her YouTube channel. I am going to go ahead and leave her channel or her video linked down in the description bar below so you guys can go check it out. Ever since I saw when she made these, they just look so yummy and so very summer-like. I wanted to recreate them on my natural nails with regular polishes, and that's what I have here. And ever since she did these, she has actually suffered an injury on one of her nails that was just horrible. And so Denise, I wish you a quick recovery on that nail. I hope it will do just fine for you. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and recreate these. I don't have the exact materials as far as the caviar for the sprinkles and the cherry. I'm still trying to decide what I'm going to do with that. But yeah, I just thought it'll be a nice way. I'll find my way of doing something like this that would come close to. The colors are just look so yummy, aren't they? And yes, thank you Denise for the inspiration. I will go ahead and start with the tutorial. Okay guys, so here's the final result of these beautiful sprinkled ice cream nails with cherry on top. I did cheat it a little with my ice cream cone where I did some stamping there. My scoop, it was freehand. I did paint it. I didn't have anything rounded red like this, so I went ahead and painted this red. There was a silver stud. My sprinkles, even though they look here white, they're actually more of a translucent. This one shows it a little better. They're of a translucent caviar beads. And this coral is so pretty and bright. So stay tuned for photos so you can see more of its true color. And yeah, so I'm really happy how they turned out. So this is Denise's version of, or my version of Denise's nails on using regular polishes. I will have her video linked down in the description bar below so you guys can go check it out. Thank you, Denise, for the inspiration on these beautiful nails. I really enjoyed making them. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.